how to get creator badge in Clash Royale. So if you want to get a creator badge in Clash Royale, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser here, you need to search for creators.supercell.com and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply, after that, go with the upper left which has that 2 dots and then go with join us. Now here you need to enter your age. After that, go with continue and select these two options and fill out rest of the basic information. And just keep in mind that you do need to have a minimum of 100 followers on YouTube and 25 on Twitch or 1,000 on TikTok. You go ahead and click on that login with Supercell. Once logging in, confirm your email, and after you finish the requirements and your application gets accepted, you'll officially be a part of the Supercell Creator Program, which is going to unlock exclusive rewards, including free creator badges right inside Clash Royale. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.